Welcome guys to Let's Turkish channel. So I wanted at first to welcome all the members that have joined us lately to the group. So please stay tuned. We will be launching lessons soon online, so do not go anywhere. How can you do that? By subscribing and turning the bell on. Okay, so today we're gonna carry on with the part 2 of the lesson about loan words, in which we have been introduced to several combined Turkish words which are actually used in Turkish, and we are using them daily and even at work. I wanted, by the way, to show you that our channel uses playlists, or as I call them, categories, to eliminate your distraction while you are visiting our channel. So the last is organized into different playlists. Each one has its own subject. The category destination, for example, is to show you new places and to travel with us wherever we go. Vocabulary, in order to enrich your vocabulary. Culture is to get to know all the traditions and norms in Turkey. And basic category, which contains grammar and basic lessons like alphabets. The lesson Loanwords has two subsubjects, which are loanwords spelled exactly the same way and the loanwords spelled differently. The list of English loanwords in Turkish is pretty long, so I'm gonna give you some of examples which have exactly the same meaning and spelling as their English counterparts, but the majority of them are pronounced differently, okay? The first example is atom. 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 The second is bar. Bar. Just be careful with the mouth and tongue position when pronouncing the letter R. It's just a different phonetically, but not in the whole pronunciation. I just like sometimes Turkish seems in phonetics like Spanish, and here all you have to do is avoid the English R. Forget about the R, which seems like an extended A, R, especially in the British accent, but just roll it like ra, bar. Banker. 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 Bravo. The famous word in all languages. Bravo. Bravo. CV. 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 Depo. 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 Diploma. 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 Fun. Fun. Film. Here you are asking yourself why she's saying film instead of film. Actually, in the Turkish spelling in general, the Turkish tongue is not that flexible to spell the letters without putting a hidden vowel in between, and Turks themselves find some difficulties to get used to that. So the right pronunciation of this word is film. Film. Final. 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 Global. Here also between the G and the L we have the silent E, global. Hamburger. Hamburger. Ideal. Ideal. Laptop. 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 Lens. Lens. Limit. 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 Link. Link. Market. Market. Metal. 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 Net. Net. Normal. Normal. Modern. 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 Park. Park. Partner. Partner. Pilot. 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 Plan. Plan. Here also the I is hidden. Plan. Poker. Poker. Printer. 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 Problem. 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 Radar. 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 Risk. Risk. Robot. 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 Sauna. Sauna. Of course, it's a Finnish word, but it's integrated. Silo. Silo. Salon. Salon. Siren. 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 Spiral. Spiral. Tablet. 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 Vitamin. Vitamin. Yoga. Here this is Sanskrit. Yoga. Zebra. 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 Now let's have some words, some loan words spelled differently. Anormal. Anormal, which is abnormal in English. And then we have academy. Academy. It's academy. Aceton. Aceton. Action. Action. It's action. Action. Actor. 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 Acne. Acne. Cake. Cake, which is cake in English. Cake. Cart. Cart. Catalog. 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 Comic. Comic. Dance. Dance. We have also diet. Diet, it's diet. 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 Discipline. 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 Editor. 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 Empathy. 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 Filtre. 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 Hobby. 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 Group. Group. Industrie. 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 Jury. 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 Actif. Actif. Aktif. Adaptasyon. 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 Adres. 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 Avukat. Avukat. Balkon. 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 Balon. Balon. Banka. 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 Lazer. 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 Maske. 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 Materyal. Materyal. Negatif. 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 Obez. 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 Ofis. 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 Panik. 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 Parti. 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 Proje. 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 Referans. 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 Sektör. 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 Servis. 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 Teknik. 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 Unité. 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 Version. Version. Just guys, here let me make clear another important thing. In the last list, a lot of Turkish words are pronounced exactly like French. It's an important that is not very famous, but as I am also a French tutor, I also assure you by giving you examples. Like in French we say acteur. Acteur. It's only the last letter R that changes in some French accents. For example, in Marsilia, they pronounce it acteur. Acteur by rolling the R. In Turkish we say acteur. Actually, it only changes in writing and there is absolutely no difference in spelling. We have also the French word chauffeur. Chauffeur. Chauffeur means driver, and in Turkish we say also chauffeur. Chauffeur. I wanted also to surprise you by announcing the next video that will be about words with the same spelling and different meaning, also same pronunciation with different meaning. I feel like very excited to share with you these informations that can help you a lot in your journey. Please do not hesitate if you have any questions regarding this or another lesson, because I will be always active to answer you. Have a nice day and do not forget to give us a thumbs up if you like our lessons and if you want to follow us. See you next time in the next lesson.